And go back to that story of the 2014 downing of flight MH17. The trial of 4 suspects has resumed in Amsterdam. 3 Russian people and a Ukrainian person have been charged with involvement in the downing of the passenger jet, killing 298 mainly Dutch nationals. SABC News correspondent Lucy Ho reports from Brussels.
On the first day of business, as proceedings resumed after long delays due to the coronavirus pandemic, we've heard from the lawyer representing the 450 relatives of those who died. We learned that more than 300 will seek damages from the 4 suspects standing trial, with judges told that the families want compensation as recognition of the injustice they've served in the 6 years since the disaster. Whether those damages are awarded will depend on a guilty verdict. This trial comes after a long international investigation which found that flight MH17 was downed by a Buk anti-aircraft missile from an area controlled by pro-Moscow separatists in eastern Ukraine. That missile is said to have been trucked into Ukraine from a Russian military base, but Russia has repeatedly denied any involvement. All 4 men charged with murder in this trial are alleged to have been high-ranking officials in a pro-Russia militia, but all are still at large, with only one sending a defence counsel to represent him in Amsterdam. This was always going to be a long and complex trial, but the coronavirus pandemic has caused significant delays since the trial began in March. Proceedings are expected to last until at least next year. Lucy Hoff, SABC News, Brussels.
India's former president